Hey guys, it's me Meadow, and today I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to show you how to do the cup song. It's just the cups, no music. I'll do the music, I'll do the song of me just singing it in another video, but yeah, so I'm going to do the tutorial. I have a cup, a tray table because I'm up in my room and I don't have a table, and you're gonna need your cup, your hands, and a table. It's really all you need. So set you here. So to start it, you are going to want to clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. Clap, up, down. Here comes the hardest part. Clap, flip, top, table, hand. I'll do that last part again, very slowly. So after you do this, you're gonna go. So here it is from the beginning. Clap. So I'll do that slower for people who don't know what it is. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, up, down. Clap, flip, top, table, hand, up. Not up. You're gonna hit. So here's the last part again, and I'm going to show you from the top. Flip, top, table, hand, hand, down. So you're gonna wanna kind of hit your hand with it so it'll make a nice beat. See, look. So here it is from the top. We will go slower, then a little faster, and I'm still getting used to it, so excuse me if I mess up. And the next video is going to be me singing it, and like, comment, subscribe, and make sure to comment if you can get it or not. See you in my next video.